Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie. Did you guys miss me? I am back. I am so excited. I have been mostly on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, definitely go do that. But today I'm bringing you what's inside my tech bag. I'm really excited about this because I feel like a lot of us are working at home, and this little bad boy has everything you need for on the go. This is all of my main tech items. I bring it with me if I'm having an excursion, working at a Starbucks. If I'm traveling, I like to bring this instead. You can add whatever you like to, but it's just an idea of organization and a container or bag that you can put it in. And without further ado, if you guys want to see what's inside this bag, just keep watching. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like I haven't been on camera in forever. It's literally been forever. So I'm always on Instagram. So if you guys are not following me over there, definitely follow me over there. I do reels every day, and it's easier for me to be there on a more day-to-day basis. I'm a YouTuber first and foremost. That is my number one love. I just have to find the groove. Sometimes I get out of the groove because we're traveling super fast, or I don't have internet, or just weird things are going on. But right now is a beautiful time. So let's get into it, and hopefully we'll get back on track for weekly videos. Give me a thumbs up down below and let me know if that's something that you're excited about. So first of all, check this out. Obviously there's other colors and different things, but I've been into my beige era. So we are going beige, and I just think it's so beautiful. This part is wipeable. This is not, but I think it's so pretty. Then we're going to open it up here, and it has so much organization. I'm actually going to do an over the top. You guys already know, like, I need my up close and I need an aerial shot. It's not a video of mine if I don't have those two, but I'm just going to give you guys a little peek on what it looks like. And I should be doing a side-by-side right now. But inside of here, I'm going to hold up all the products for you and go through everything. At the very top, I have this. So I've seen these in different colors, and I just found this one, and it just, for me, it's white, it's clean. And when I'm working, especially, so dealing with tech and all of that, I just want it to be clean and crisp, and I just love that this is white. So there's a spray solution in here. You spray your screen. Oh, let's demonstrate. So I have my screen right here. You spray your screen. Okay, then you take this side right here. It's got like a side that you wipe it off. Look at that. It's just amazing how it works. Like, look, beautiful. And then if it's really dirty, you might want to do it again. But honestly, it's pretty dirty in it. So there it is. Love that. And then I like that it has the case. They all don't come with the case like that. So that goes back into the top here. And then next up, I have this little pen. My son actually used this yesterday. He's like, oh my gosh, it actually works really good. So you can clean your headphones off with this. You can clean your speaker to your computer, your speaker to your phone. Whatever it is that has little grooves that you need to clean, that's what this tool is for. Let me put that down. So you can also pull this off. It has a little brush, and then you pull this little guy and it has a little tool. Sometimes there's like crusties in there, and this little tool will like get in there, and there's another little brush. So it's really nice to have this on the go, and this is small. I have a larger one that I keep in my desk. If you guys have not seen my desk organization or all of my desk products, I will link that in the eye above for you. So next up, I have my Apple Watch charger. It's a little bit on the thicker side. If they come out with a smaller one, I'll get that. But I just love having this. It's not something you have to plug into anything. This is an external battery, so you just wrap your Apple Watch around this and it's good to go. I don't know where my Apple Watch is at the current moment, so we will need to find that. But that goes in here. And then I have shared this with you guys. Maybe I'll pop up on the screen the reels that I did, but I love this setup. So I have these chargers, okay? They charge and plug right into your phone. Obsessed with these. These have a charging dock, so I don't have to plug them in. I mean, I have to plug them in, but not with the cord and finding a cord. There's a dock that sits on my desk, and I stick these inside the dock, and it's just so nice. So this is to my cell phone. I actually have another one. This is a USB-C, and you can use this for other things, but I use this for my fan. I have been in hot areas. Like, I'm hot right now. If I'm getting a little shiny, it's because I'm hot. The lighting is different. It's because my lights just died, which is super sad. So nail polish on the outside of this, because before, when I'd plug it into my phone, it would rub up against like my black pants and it would dye it. So now it looks beautiful, and it protects it from getting the silicone changing colors on me. So I also have it on this one. This is the one for the cell phone, and that's one for the USB-C. So next up we have are these little sections here. I have little tiny cords, and I have a plug on the other side, which I'll show you guys, but I also did the glitter thing on this. I like to identify like, hey, that's my cord. Don't be stealing my cord. Not today, sir. That's mine. So I have a cell phone. I have an iPhone. Then I have a USB-C. And then I have a second USB-C, but this one has an adapter for a micro USB. So it's an attachment that you can take off and on for that. Okay. Last two items is this wall plug, which has a USB port and a USB-C port, which is amazing. It has it on one little thing, and it is flat and sleek, and this the prongs pop in and out, so that way it can go in your bag nice and easily. This is such a game changer, you guys. Definitely love this thing. And I had one before, but it only had either one. It didn't have both. So I've never seen anyone else have this. You saw it here first. I don't know for sure, but definitely like this item. Got to have it in here. And then last but not least, another charger. I know you're like, girl, what is up with all the chargers? But for me, I like to be prepared. I like to have all the chargers. Have a discount code. I will link it for you guys as well, but it's ALM10 and we'll give you 10% off. And also they always have deals to where if you buy 3, you get something free. And then I think if I was buying like 5 things, I got like a second item for free, which is incredible. So they have pink, black, and this is white, and it's just such a good thing to have. It's small and sleek. It fits inside of your purse. I'm going to be sharing this with you guys very soon on how I organize everything, but this is where it goes. It just slides right here, and then I keep a second one in my tech bag. But it's so nice, you guys, and sleek. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is this little tech kit here. So I showed you earlier in the video that I had my charger, but if I'm carrying my little purse or my pouch and I keep it in there, I'd put this in here instead. Okay, let me open this up. This is an extra extending kit. Well, extending, it actually changes the ports for your cords, so you can actually interchange all of these, and it's just so nice to have on you. There's little different tools, a USB one, and you can actually add things in here, which is nice. But I like that it's nice and sleek and it matches my aesthetic. I really enjoy it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed what was inside my tech bag. Hopefully this was helpful to you. All of the links will be in one link down below. You click that link, it will take you to my website. It will say click for links. Click that and you guys will find all of the product details and information there. Thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way through. It really benefits my channel. If you are new here, we do a secret emoji at the end of every video. Today it's going to be a computer. If they have a laptop, whatever it is, leave that down below and let me know that you made it to the end. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie.